guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner. And this week we have 4 of our friends whose kids are graduating from high school, and so I wanted to just do a week of a graduation theme. So I went on Pinterest and I found these really cute free printables. There, I will put the link for it down below. As well, I went just to Google Images and I found a background of the graduation caps. So I printed those onto sticker paper, and I will put the link for that down below. As well as I have my Mambi stickers here, and so I'll pull from those as well. So let's get this stuff cleared off and get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out really super cute. These printables are just the cutest I've seen, so go ahead and check the link out down below for these, and hopefully you will be inspired for a graduation themed planner spread. So hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.